Jack is saying, tell me more about how to use LangChain to chat with your data. So I will give you a 2 to 3 minute verbal tutorial. Since it's verbal, you're gonna wanna use a language model of some kind to turn this into code. Pretty much any Gemini, Anthropic, whatever, they're all gonna be able to take these instructions and turn it into a Python script for you. So you're gonna wanna start with Python. I would say start with Python 3.12, pretty relatively modern version. I like to use UV instead of Poetry or Hatch or Pip or any of those to install. So get UV going, install the LangChain. LangChain will integrate to all of your chat engines. So who are you going to use as your chat engine? Is it Vertex AI, Gemini, Google, GCP, or whoever? So find the right plugin for LangChain for whatever it is, and you will want to instantiate that module. You're going to need some API credentials. I recommend .env so that you can load in your credentials. Now you can use a contrived data set. Just do 5 rows for a simple hello world sort of proof of concept sort of thing. You can ask your language model to generate a 5x2 CSV and just have it be names and gender. And then we'll prompt whatever the chat engine is to ask it about the distribution of gender in our data set. So this will be a synthetic 5x2 CSV. Does that make sense? You can use this handy Pandas data frame agent. So load your CSV in there and you'll be able to send it off to the language model along with a prompt. And you can just ask it, what is the distribution of gender in this data set? And you should get, I don't know, whatever the answer is, 2 and 3 or whatever. With the Pandas data frame agents, you're gonna have to allow dangerous requests or allow dangerous code. This is fine to do on your local, just don't open it up to production or people will be able to exfiltrate, like get data out of your data because you're like exposing all your data. So hopefully you're doing this like on a local computer or a sandboxed environment.